Today, we're going to be taking a look at Tesla. They have their robo-taxi event coming up on October 10th, and we're going to take a look at a few headlines that caught my eye recently, as well as some other stock market news. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, and hit the notification bell. Let's start off with some news involving former President Donald Trump. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group are making waves. The stock surged over 14% today, Monday, October the 7th. And this is right after Tesla CEO Elon Musk made an appearance alongside the former president at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania. Now, this rally wasn't just any, it's the same place where Trump faced his assassination attempt back in July. So this weekend, we see that Trump's social media platform, Truth Social, stock price has made its biggest gain since mid-July. And at the time that I'm recording this video, the stock price is $18.41. That's the highest level that we've seen since August. So why am I talking about this? Why does this matter? I'm just highlighting how a stock can be impacted when a high-profile person like Elon Musk gets involved. Something that you might look at as social has now turned to something financial. This single event is now impacting multiple companies. So this will have people on the lookout to see how this stock price is impacted in the weeks to come. Now to another headline relating to Tesla. They are in a legal battle. There is a Tesla trader suing Tesla because of Elon's comments and actions. He is alleging that after turning $65,000 into a staggering 306 million, he lost it all. The trader is arguing that Elon's behavior caused artificial volatility in Tesla's stock, directly leading to his massive financial losses. So Elon's influence on the stock price is significant due to his position and his social media presence. And the lawsuit highlights the risk of a CEO's influence on a stock performance. So, what this may lead to in the future is tighter regulations around CEOs' communication about their company and scrutiny around high profile individuals that should be held accountable for these type of stock price swings that their behaviors and their actions can influence. I know I've had conversations about Elon's tweets. I've taken a look at them and I've thought to myself, can you keep it to yourself? So I am a Tesla shareholder and I will share a little bit about my position. And I've had someone in my comments refer to Tesla as Stressla, and I totally understand why. But let's move on to the robo-taxi event that is coming up on October 10th. We've been waiting for this big day to come. The details are still under wraps, but let's talk a little bit about what we can expect and how it will impact the stock price. Here are a few things that we're hoping to get more information on. The possibility of a new vehicle. This could be a more affordable mass market model designed to expand Tesla's reach. If it's true, it's likely to spark a lot of excitement among investors as it could capture a larger audience. We know Tesla's FDS technology has faced a fair share of controversy and questions as to is it safe and effective. So many believe that this will be a highlight of the October 10th event when Tesla might unveil updates and improvements to their FDF software, which could be big moving forward, cementing their position when it comes to autonomous vehicle technology. Another update we'll be looking forward to is related to their battery technology. Tesla's continuous improvements in this area have set it apart from other automakers. So a breakthrough in battery life and charging speed could make a huge difference. So these type of announcements may boost the stock price. Investors are always looking for innovation when it comes to Tesla, and they're looking for Elon to make good on those promises in order to push the company's market value upward. So if these announcements don't go as expected, we may see the opposite and the stock price pull back. Now let's look at Tesla's analyst ratings related to stock price. Tesla's stock price is always on a roller coaster. So let's take a look at the factors influencing Tesla's current and future stock prices. So we see here at the time of this recording, the stock price is about $241 with an average analyst rating of 217, a high of 310 and a low of 120. So what leads to the bullish sentiment when it comes to Tesla? It's the brand loyalty and the constant innovation. Tesla has pushed the boundaries in the areas of artificial intelligence and sustainable energy. It's expected that the stock will continue to perform well. They would also highlight the company's expansion into emerging markets, their ongoing facility builds worldwide as strong indicators of growth. But now, when it comes to the bearish concerns, Tesla's valuation is high, and there are concerns around Elon's behavior, which sometimes, as we've already talked about, impacts the stock price negatively. In addition, the EV market is continuing to grow with competition heating up. Traditional automakers like Ford and GM, and even companies like Rivian and Lucid, ramping up their EV production. Also, in this arena, there's contenders like Google's Waymo when it comes to autonomous driving. These are things that can start to chip away at Tesla's market share. Another obstacle is the economy right now, where we may not have that strong demand for high priced vehicles like Tesla. So we're really in need of that lower price model that could open up the brand to a larger demographic of interested buyers. Taking a look at some analyst ratings, we have here JP Morgan at 130, while we have Wedbush at 300, Morgan Stanley at 310, and Bernstein at 120. All recent ratings, but drastically different. A very mixed forecast because Tesla is unpredictable. But there's no denying that they have a strong position and massive following and have been seen as an industry leader. So we'll just have to wait and see if they're able to keep it up. Tesla makes up about 9% of my portfolio, and the price has been all over the place. I was able to add a little bit even at $139 back in April. And now we're up a little over $100 from that point. My average price is $213.93, and I'm only up 12.87% currently. Unlike many of my other individual stocks where I'm up 25 to nearly 50%, like Apple, Meta, and Amazon. So, what are your thoughts on Tesla? Do you think that they will continue to dominate, or are you anticipating struggles as the EV market starts to grow and they have more competition? Share your thoughts on Elon's attendance at this event this past weekend and the Trump media's stock performance. Do you think that they are tied together? So there's so many factors when it comes to Tesla. Mixed analyst ratings, the CEO's behavior, but it's something that I think is worth having that extra added exposure to this investment in my portfolio. So I'm going to continue to hold on to it. I'm looking forward to hearing what they share in this event. Also, coming up later this week, something that will impact the entire market, we have CPI, the Consumer Price Index, and PPI, the Producer Price Index, results coming out on Thursday and Friday. These measure inflation from the consumer and producer perspectives. Higher than expected CPI or PPI numbers indicate rising prices, which can lead to interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. This often affects the stock market by increasing borrowing costs and reducing investor confidence. Just something to be aware of. As always, don't let these type of things shake you out of your positions. If anything, focus on doing your research, making that plan, and being ready to build out those positions if there is a pullback. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out my referral links for Webull, Moomoo, as well as channel membership. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.